How did I get into 3D printing? After the COVID 19 pandemic, I realized I might be spending more time at home and not drive my daughter or wife crazy. I decided to buy my first 3D printer. The main factor was the price, less than $200, with tax and shipping. For a pretty high quality printer, which is open sourced and totally upgradable. However, it produced quality prints and I ran my machine hard almost 24/7 once I figured it out. It took me a few hours to assemble the machine. Today, it would take less than an hour. I did a lot of research about 3D printers and reviews. Most forums said anything over the $200 Creality Ender 3 was a waste of money and could be used on upgrades to your machine or multiple machines, also known as print farms or print kitchens. Um, Fused deposition modeling is used in creating a 3D virtual model or already created file containing a 3D virtual model, and by use of a 3D printer, creating the object from the file through a series of layers built one on top of another. And that is what 3D printing is, and